still trying to make a video here. Rude. Hi guys, it's me again. If you don't know yet, my name is Pearly and I am a full-time fitness coach at the Playground Fit Bangsa. And today I'm going to teach you how to make a very delicious and healthy vegan burger. So let me introduce you to the stars of the day. First, we have the Butterhead, which I totally thought it was lettuce, onion, carrots, barbecue sauce, vegan mayo, and we have our organic chili powder and organic apple cider vinegar and mushroom for the fillings. I'm gonna have to bake this for 20 minutes, okay? So bake it in the oven for 20 minutes. If you want to know the temperature, please comment down below so we get more interactions. Line them up nicely and then, whoa, you will bake them. It looks so cute. Like, how is this not cute? Put it here. Guys, make sure that it is baked properly but don't burn it, okay? So put it here 20 minutes and just wait for it to be done. Okay, so while waiting, let's just start on our salad. I'm gonna go for this organic apple cider as one of the ingredients. Put maybe 2 tablespoons because I like how vinegar tastes. So 1 and 2. Some mayo, some chili powder. So it really depends on how spicy you like it. For me, I like it spicy, but I cannot take spicy at all. Some sugar, just a little bit. I don't like it when it's too sweet. Carrots. Let's just put everything. I bet you guys feel like it's really hard to, travel and still try to eat healthy or, have fitness as your lifestyle. So I travel quite often, and whenever I travel, I bear in mind that, I can make healthier choices and it doesn't have to be extreme. I don't need to prep my food all the time because, life happens and I guess you just have to take it in moderation. It depends on yourself. Okay, so this is done. I shall put this away first. And right now, I magically have some more mushrooms so that we save time. I'm gonna stretch some mushrooms and use a fork, right? I tried using the hand earlier, but it's just not happening. So let me see if this okay, I see how. So I have to shred it with the fork. Yes. But I think it will. Ooh! It will turn out well. Maybe do it a little bit more. I used to just, live on processed food that I think it's healthy or detox drink, whatever that is not working at all. But it was my fault because I was ignorant, right? Now that I am a full-time coach, I need to make sure that I educate myself because client will ask me what they think they should eat. So yeah, always read about food and don't get trapped into, eating processed food that you think is good. So right now I have my sesame oil here. I'm gonna put all this mushroom in. Put it in, sorry, I tend to lose focus. I'm gonna just slightly separate them. And then barbecue sauce. I'm gonna have some barbecue sauce. Okay, I'm gonna use the same spoon. It doesn't matter. I'm gonna add some barbecue sauce in it. And then we're gonna marinate it and blend them all together. So yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna mix them. Oh, if only you can smell this. It actually smells pretty good. I'm gonna transfer this to a bowl. I need bowl. I'm just gonna take this. Clean. Alright. Do this because everyone does this in TV. So I'm just gonna, oh, what's that? Oh, what's the sound? Okay, it's fine. I think alright. Right, so, excuse the beeping. I'm gonna have this here. And then I'm gonna grill the burger, just a little bit. So I usually see people like doing this and like this, so I'm gonna do the exact same. And I am supposed to, it's getting messy, top this on top and that below. So let's just put this here. Oh my god, I'm a mess, sorry. Okay, I guess this is done. Smells good. Okay, so the last two steps is to just top them off. So I will put this on top. This is the salad that we made on the second step. Got it. And then lastly, the star player of the day, our mushrooms. And then you top it off. I wish I could just use my hand, but it won't look nice. So. Right. How can I forget? There's the fork here! Haha! You see how messy I am? Oh my god. There's this noise coming upstairs. I have no idea what's going upstairs. What? Shh! People trying to make a video here. Rude. Okay. Okay, now how am I gonna close them? Oh my god. How am I gonna do this? You see, I don't think before I do. I do first and then I think. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, wait. 1. Ah! Okay, great! And there we have it. My very delicious vegan burger with mushrooms, nothing but vegetables. First things first, let me try it. Okay. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like, comment or share to us what is your most remembered food when you travel, and you might even win a mystery gift from Signature Market. So I hope to see you guys soon, and bye!